So one of the things that makes Buddy so unique, in my opinion, is that he follows me when we do these little excursions out in the forest. You can see Buddy ahead of me, and I just went back to go get the camera, and he just follows the sound of my voice. If I get too far off, he'll chirp. He'll start making, well, he'll cry basically, and I know that he's lost sight of me. And as soon as I use my voice, like if I call him, and as soon as he gets a sight of me, then he settles down. His tail is bushy, his fur is up on his back. He knows he's, a little fish in a big pond here. I don't typically let him too far away, but he doesn't really wander. Like I'm saying, he stays right close to me, and if I'm like this packing stuff around, he'll be right on my tail. And he's just very savvy in staying close. I know there's risks with having him out here, but there would be with the dog as well. So, I mean, what's the difference really? Well, there's a difference. We know the difference between cats and dogs, obviously, but I mean, as far as risk goes, there's risks for both. And yeah, he sure loves it. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, climbing up things. Yeah, he zooms up a tree here or there. It's good survival instinct. And if he ever gets chased by something, even at home, by a dog or whatever, he knows to climb. And he's a very good climber. Whew. It's been a while since I had to do that. Ugh. Burn. Buddy. Hey? Whew. Oh. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good hustle. Good hustle. Good boy. Yeah. Whew. Everybody wants you to do it. Oh, come on, buddy. Butter. Cats will do what cats want to do. I wanted a performance out of you, buddy. Hey, come here. Hey, come. Let's see if we can set it up. See if we can set it up. He's too funny. He's ready for dinner. He's ready for dinner. He's like, the day should be done, Dad. The day should be done.
Early morning. Buddy got out of bed. Buddy got out of bed. Coffee with the kitty. Let's have some coffee with a kitty. Hey? Kitties don't drink coffee. Yeah, you don't like coffee. Nor do you like pancakes.
He is too funny. I should have caught that. Right over the water, he just sprinted up that tree. He is spunky. Are you spunky monkey? It's their attitude. Yeah, he must smell something because he is on edge here. Just jumpy. Hey, come here, buddy. Attaboy. You know, one thing that makes this cat fairly unusual is that he rarely runs from me. Like when I need to pick him up because something might be dangerous or whatever, he just stays put. Like he just lets me handle him. He doesn't like to be held for very long, but if I need to go somewhere and get him in a vehicle, like he's struggling a little bit now, but he's a very calm animal. Buddy, hey, what do you have to say for yourself? He doesn't like the bumpy. He doesn't like the bumpy road. He's like, when does it get smooth again, Dad? Yeah. Pretty soon, and then he'll curl up and go to sleep for the rest of the drive.